Okay, for our video training today, we're going to discuss entering fire reports into the new Image-Trend Elite system. Once you're logged in, first and foremost, ensure that you're under the correct database. If you're not under the correct database, click on the button there that says Demo. It'll have a drop down and it'll have your most recently viewed agencies that you have access to. If it's not there, you can come down here to the bigger list and then you have everyone that you are linked to. Some of you will not even have this option because you're only linked to one agency, but many of you will have multiple agencies that you can be part of. So ensure that the database is correct that you want to enter your fire report under first and foremost. All right, so once we've secured that, click on the incident. You have a couple options here. For agency administrators, if you need to look at existing fire reports, you come right here where it says view existing, hit fire. It'll have a drop down that has all the reports that's been entered. Obviously, you see the incident date. You can change your dates around. You can look at validations, whatever you want to do. But once you scroll through, you find the report that you're looking for. Come over here, the button that says print icon. You can print the report, or you can come over here and enter the report. And if you're doing a QA, you can enter it through there. Remember, you only have that option if you're an agency administrator, or if you are if you have been linked to that report because you were on that report and your name is on it. All right, to enter a report, you have a couple options. Option 1 is right here, but we do not recommend it. Create a new fire report, but this does not utilize the CAD data. So you can do a report here, but you have to put all your times, incident address, all that stuff in there. So we highly recommend that you come down here to where it says create new fire from CAD, click on it. It'll go to the CAD data. You can change the data, the dates around to pull up the data that you need. But remember that our recommendation is that you do reports as soon as you get back to the station. I understand there's instances where you cannot do that. So this system only keeps CAD data for 5 days. So make sure that you get it done in a timely manner to utilize the CAD data. So once you come down through here, you find your call that you're looking for and you select it. Once you enter into the report, obviously you see the incident number, incident date. Some of that's already put in there. You'll notice some times are already put in. So once you get to the report, it's quite simple. Anything that's red means that you need to fill it out. Now remember that your forms are directly related back to your incident type. So if it's a non-fire related call, your report's going to be kind of short. But if we come in here and we have a building fire and we select incident type building fire, note there's more modules that must be completed. So that is a reflection of NIFRS and the reporting for the federal government. So we have no control over that, but it is good reporting. So fill out all the information until you complete, till everything is done in blue, and your validation will be right here, and you will have a good report. Make sure you hit save. You have the option to hit print, or you even have the option to do a PDF, and you can save the report if you need to for whatever reason. Click close to leave that area. All right, option 2. Once we've determined our data set that we want to be under, we come in here to incidents and we want to build a report based on a EMS report that we just ran, so that we just completed or are going to complete. So come down here, same thing, create your new EMS from CAD. Your CAD data will come up. Check your dates if you need to. Information will pop up down here. Select which call it is. The EMS report will start to load. All right. As the fire report, you fill everything out until everything's blue. One of the last things that you're going to do is your signatures. So once you finish your signature, the very last button is go to fire incident. So what this does is links your EMS report to your fire report. So when you go to do your fire report, it's going to again link the incident date, addresses, and some of the times, and prevent you from having to put some of that information in a second time. So currently it's building the report. All right, so this screen should look familiar. This is the beginning of the fire report. Again, fill your information out, and when you're completely done, ensure that you hit save, and you have just linked your EMS report with your fire report. If you have any questions, please contact myself or Captain Shiflett.